Hey, hi, this is Harika from Teammate. We have implemented web application which is Eventbrite. For the development of this web application, we have used some of the microservices. These are the microservices which we have used to develop this application. And this is the web MVC. Uh, we are used to integrate all these microservices with this web MVC to look in the UI. So let's have what these microservices will do. This event catalog microservices will onboard the events, and this cart microservices is used to add all items to the cart, and the order microservices is used to add the items from cart to make the cart into order, and these orders will be stored in the SQL server. And we are authenticating and authorizing this application using token service microservices. And let's have the demo. And also all these microservices we are dockerizing, and we are just making the containers of these microservices. So let's have the demo first. So the Docker is up and all the microservices are containerized and running. Let's have the demo. So let's hit the URL. This is the URL. Yeah, this is how our Eventbrite application will looks like. The UI of the application. You can see here the login control and about control, the carousel and the filtered some of the basic filter items for the events. You can see these are the catalog items, um, and also you can see the pagination, and this is the footer of our application. So let's check the pagination. So we can check the more events using the pagination. And also we can filter or search the events based upon the location or type. So let's have an example, like I'm just searching the location specific, Redmond specific events. So these are the events, Redmond specific. So this is the filters how we can apply on the events. So we are for login. We are authenticating and user authorizing the user to log in into the application or to book the events in the application. We have to authorize the user. We have to authorize the user. So on click of login, we are calling the token service API. So we have to provide the correct email ID and password. On click of login, we are again redirecting to the event catalog. Yeah, you can see this is the indication we are already logging in. So you can see the email ID here. So to book this event, any of the event, just click on the book event. You can see the cart here is updated. So in behind the cart, microservices is calling and updating this cart. So if you want to see the particular means the further details of the event, on click of this event, you can see the more details of the event. You can see the description, the time, location, organizer, everything related to the event, particular event. So let's book this event and adding it to the cart API. So on click of this, the cart API is already invoked, and you can see the UI here. So these are the two items we have added to the cart. So we can update the number of tickets, whatever we can. So you can have this option update and checkout. So on this update, you can update the number of tickets and cost total as well. So on the checkout, you are just forwarding the cart to the order API. So on click of this checkout, you can see the order creation means the order service microservice has been invoked. So I'm just giving some formality shipping address. So for the payment I'm using the Stripe API, which is the external API. We are utilizing that. I'm giving some random card number, the test card number. Yeah, this is how the order creation will look like: the shipping address, order details, and the card number. On click of pay and place order, we are going to confirm this order. So this order has been booked and the order ID is 11. You can see all these orders are being saved to the SQL server, and also you can refer these orders in the order summary. On click of this order summary API is calling. You can see all the present and past orders here in the order summary. So the latest one is the last one here. You can see the details of the order. This is the orders we have, whatever we have booked. To check further what are the events we have booked in this order, you can click on these details. You can check all the events whatever you have booked, and also the order number, date, total, the shipping address as well. So let's go back to the event catalog. We'll book one more event. Let's add this, and on click of this card, you can see the card API. I'm going to update the number of tickets. You can see all these update and check out. It is coming to the order creation. In backside, the order microservices is calling. So for the payment, we are using Stripe API, which is external API. So I'm giving the test card number and placing this order again. So the booking ID is 12. We can see the details in the order summary. So this is the latest order we have booked, and the details of the order means what are the events in the order. You can check here like this. So this is how our application looks like, and we have a logout option as well. Yeah, and also we can see the application. Yeah, this is how our Eventbrite application looks like. Thank you.